You guys, thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, it helps out so much. With everything going on this year, especially in our current health climate, it's been quite difficult for many of us to safely gather together during this holiday season. A group of my college friends decided to play Secret Santa, and our task was getting gifts under $30. While we already don't see each other often because we live in different states now, and now particularly this year, Secret Santa has allowed us to reunite in spirit, exchanging gifts not in person, but by mail. My Secret Santa gave me an immersion blender. And the first thing that comes to my mind is green curry paste. I'm hungry, so let's get started. There's nothing better that goes with Thai curry than carbs. It's usually jasmine rice, but today I'm going with the other popular option, which is round rice noodles. And since it's East Coast cold outside, green curry with a side of rice noodles sounds perfect. I'm just gonna throw them into some boiling water until they're soft. Aunties all around Asia have skillful and elegant ways to bundle these cooked noodles and fan them out into serving portions. Here's my lazy chopstick method, and I think it does the trick. Today I'm making green curry with pork, also known asแกงเขียวหวานหมู. It's a little sweet and savory and packed full of aromatics. First I'll prepare what I want in my green curry. That's pork, bamboo, Thai eggplant, and basil leaves. You can also add extra lime leaves, but I'm already using a bunch of lime peels in the paste itself, which will give me all the balance of citrus I need. Another traditional ingredient is pea eggplants, also known as turkey berry, which goes great in here too. It's really hard to find here where I live, so Thai eggplants will do just fine. If you don't eat pork, you can use chicken or beef, tofu even. I mean, if you want to be fancy, you can knock yourself out with some seafood too. Just remember that different proteins can really change the flavor of the curry. I like adding the Thai eggplant to salted water after cutting them up. This helps them from turning brown quickly and to maintain some of their greenery after being boiled in the curry. So I'll start by preparing all of the ingredients I need for this green curry paste. This is not going to be a recipe video, but more of a visual journey of me making green curry paste from scratch with this immersion blender. If you're like me, you learn to cook just through watching others cook, rather than following written recipes. Although I may share measurements for specific recipes here and there on this channel, I much prefer to eyeball ingredients in amounts that I feel necessary and to taste and adjust as I go. Are any of you guys visual learners too? There's nothing like using a mortar and pestle to pound up tasty curry paste. It's still my preferred method. But to be honest, it's labor intensive. It takes a while to get the right consistency, and because it takes a while, that means it's gonna be really loud in your home for a while. I've heard of this trick to make curry and decided to give it a try for the first time. This method of the immersion blender, there's really not much to it. I think it gives you a close result to the work of a traditional mortar and pestle, and much better than a traditional blender that comes out too chunky in the end. It's also a quick and easy cleanup. I like to blind stir fry the protein separately in some coconut milk to infuse it with a nice coconutty aroma, and this also prevents the curry from building up with meat scum. No one likes meat scum. Now, it doesn't need to be fully cooked because you'll be adding this back in a later step until it's fully cooked. If you don't have palm sugar, white sugar will honestly work fine too. While this curry technically leads in sweetness, I generally don't like foods that are too sweet, so I'll be adding a little less than the amount traditionally used. I want the flavor of the green curry paste to be prominent. And as you can see, there aren't many additional flavoring ingredients going in. Everything that makes up this paste, all of the herbs, spices, the shrimp paste, all give it the body and bite that you need already. I can't say the same for store-bought curry paste. There's just something about the fresh homemade curry paste that has a stronger and vibrant flavor. I'm adding more Thai basil towards the end here. We're almost finished with the dish, and that's because I want to maintain its bright fragrance. The heat will infuse its flavor. Red chilies for color and extra heat. I'm really surprised how easy it was to whip this dish up with this new Immersion blender. And here it is, guys, green curry with pork. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. I wish you all a happy new year and stay safe, everyone.